Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to take a picture of your avatar on the Zepeto application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. After that, tap on the plus icon down below and click on the camera icon at the top of the screen next to the search bar. After that, select the background by tapping on the background option. Here you can see a bunch of, or select from a bunch of backgrounds. Then click on the video option. And then you should tap on the photo button. So here you can see your picture. If you would like to, you can set the border by tapping on the first icon on the right side. You can add avatars. You can set the filter or apply filters to your picture, add emojis and the text too. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.